This video is about the Lego Mindstorms Puppy project. It's from Hackster. I'll put the links in the comments. And there is a puppy you can make with the education set, but not with the normal core retail set. But they did, which is very nice. And it's part of the Alexa Echo integration, voice integration. I have a separate video on that. But I thought I'd shoot this video to show you it can actually be built, because it was quite a struggle to get it built. Make some detailed shots here for things how I now created things. Especially they had screenshots only, and then with these things in front of it, so you don't have a clue how it's constructed. So even now I don't know if this is how it should be. Anyway, it did put some small details to it, to the tires. One thing they didn't do correctly was, if you have a battery, then it won't fit, so you have to put an extra thing like that on there. Also, I put the infrared sensor. I didn't put any details on it where it should be. Put it a little bit more behind. Maybe I should, that it's better positioned, and you can touch it, but that's for a separate. And maybe I'll put also the color sensor on it, that you can also touch it. And I don't know if this can tilt a little bit, but I don't know if it should or shouldn't. I don't know. The wires also make it a little bit. But finally, it came out correctly. I don't know if it's all correctly built, but it does. I think it's also a bit stressed, as you can see the things there a little bit. I don't know if this is correct, and also still don't know why these things are there. Don't know. I haven't got a clue. That didn't mention it. Why? But anyway, it's there. It's working. For instance, this. Why is this? Is this for just holding it back or something? Or I don't know why it's like that. Or they just wanted to use that part. One thing it can do is that it can sit down. That's one of the things you're gonna do with Alexa, is that it can sit down. As you can see, it can sit down, which is nice for the puppy. You can train it. Again, that's another video. But the thing is, it can only turn because it has two engines. But it can only turn when it sits, because otherwise there's too much resistance from the front tires. So if you would have this one running, the other it won't really steer. So the steering won't go. Only if you have it to sit down. And you can see, it's already going. That the construction is a little bit, well, it runs, it works, but it's also in the other video you'll see it when I use it. Okay, bye. That's it. Hope you can get it to build correctly. And some more shots, so maybe from. Also for these things, struggled with the behind legs a lot. Still think it's a bit weird how they did it, but also. Anyway, it's there and it's working. Don't tell me why. Don't tell me how, but it does.